Okay, so I'm going to be creating prompts. I'll be showing you prompts in this video on how you can go about personalizing your AI. So this is ChatGPT. All you need to do is go to this part and go to this your name. Click on your name and you see personalization. Go to set up all of these things the way you want them, right? And the main thing is this one. Set it up how you want it. Okay, so I'm going to copy this. That is the the prompts I'm using for custom instruction. So you can see all of these things here. So it will help you, your ChatGPT sound more like human, sound more like you, and not some robot. So put in all of these details. Okay, and let's go back. Now let's go to projects. You can see new project here, new project. So when you click on, you see all of the projects that I have, right? All the projects I have. If you click on plus, it will create a new one, or you can click on new project. Okay, so let me say coach X, right? Or let me just use something else. I'm thinking of what to use. Another part of me. I've done stuff on women's health. So yeah, it's the same thing. So let me just go to this, right? And I'll show you. Let me show you. Um so let me take you through this. So I created a project for my storytelling, right? And then once you have that project created, it appears this way. Go to the three dots and click on edit instruction. Then you can see this, right? So write like me. I'll also drop stories from writers like this, study their writings and learn to weave the aura and style. So I'll copy this. Okay, I'll copy this. Now let's look at another another um you know another client acquisition content. Go edit. So respond originally like me in my own unique voice. Put some philosophical yet simplified, whatever, all of these things, right? Let me copy again and copy. Okay, now let's go to my content writer. Look at how I instructed. Okay, this one doesn't have instruction. Let me go to corporate training resources. So I've used this for a lot. Now look at the instruction. I'm a rep certified, you know, CBT and rep certified, whatever. I want to respond. I want all my responses to sound like a really experienced professional without losing my integrity, my originality. So you can create something like this as well. That way, it's not going to sound like yeah. Okay, copy. Now, one of the things I would advise you to do is, if you have been using ChatGPT for a while, come and prompt it with this prompt. You see, come and give it this prompt. With all you know about me from my charts and project instructions, clone my identity archetype for cloud and other AI tools. Let me also copy this. Now let's go and search for enneagrams. Okay. Now watch this. Okay. So let's go to archetype. Identity archetype blueprint. So now let's go to this and let's see. Clone my identity archetype and give me everything you know about me. I want to plan them into AI tools so I can train them too. every detail, communication style, tone, expertise, personality, fully fleshed out and easy to replicate. And it gives me this. So you can copy this, right? I can copy this. Watch what I'll do. I can copy this and make it a project. Call it me, right? And let me just put in something. Okay, let me just put it in here. Call it me. Sorry, I'm yawning. Tired. Create project. And once I create this project, all I need to do is go to edit instruction, put in the archetype, paste. Okay, this is not branding, this is identity architecture. And let me remove this part. So use, yes. So never use no this, just that. So yeah, this is me giving instruction. Okay, so now go back to the top. Now remove all of this. Okay, and boom, I have this. Now I can tell this it's going to now be replying like me. It's going to be posting anything, like doing anything like me. Okay, let me say now write a content that says that starts with a captivating headline theme. Start now. So let's watch it. So you see this, let's be honest. I don't like it, right? Now let me go to this. No. Let's go to, so it gives me this content. I can now edit it the way I want in my own voice. Let me go to this and still go to that part that says what it should not do. Avoid over medicalization. Let's zoom out. Let's be honest. Your body is already giving feedback. It's the biggest system at play. You often say things like, no, I don't want this zoom out. I don't want this. This thing we're doing, we need to talk about it. Not be everything a discipline problem. But you know, they like, this is where people miss it. Okay. Let's be on, to be honest. Never rush, never desperate. So I'll just put in this. I think I've removed the parts. So another way to train this will be to come under that and say don't remove, let's zoom out and let's Be honest. Okay, so this is what I have. Right? I can edit it and post if I want to. So yeah. I hope this helps. I hope this helps. Personalize your AI so that it speaks and thinks like you, okay, and writes like you. So you can feed multiple posts under one project. Just keep feeding your posts, your recent, some of your best performing posts, like 10 of them. Feed it into that project and say, study this post. I'll post another one. Study this post. Look at this. Look at this. My content writer. Science writing style analysis here, something like this. Okay, study this post and writing style. Right, I see a post that I like, I can tell it to study it. Okay, I did it with my own content. Where is it? Oh, I even have me that I created before. So look at this one. Corporate, yes. So I have some of my writing style, yes. So under this, I'll post a lot of my previous posts, a lot, right? A whole lot of them, a lot of my posts that did well on social media, and I'll ask ChatGPT to analyze them. So when I come under this place now and say that same thing, write a post in my voice, start with a captivating headline, theme, start now. So you see, it's going to now write it the way I would write. It's not the same with the other ones. So remove this line. Let me edit. Never use this line. Okay. So you see. Good. Now this sounds exactly like me. Checking this, sounds like me. Sounds more like me. More like me. So I can now copy this, put a picture to it, and post. And let me also tell you something you can do. Create a suitable flyer for this post with a dark background and images that represent the central thought past. This I can also say create a flyer with a dark background, images should reflect the idea, and then what else? Captions. Or maybe never. add 3 more. Good. Now can you see this? Can you see this? So I've actually done taught you 3 things in one tonight. So yes, I think that's enough. So yes, this is what we have, and it's beautiful. It's beautiful, isn't it? It's beautiful. Try out something. Try out something. Let's push it out. Okay? All the best. So this is what we have. This is another one I created. Create a flyer with a dark background. Images should reflect the idea. Caption, start now or maybe never. So you see how beautiful this is. You can even create your book cover with this. Perfect, perfect, perfect if you ask me. Perfect. So yeah, try it out. Try it out. Try it out. I'd like to see what you created.